there, TikTok land. Look at all this beautiful hair. You probably think I'm going to chop it off, but we're not. We're just going to layer it up. So here's the request. A deep V, curtain bangs, lots of layers. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start my layering around the face. And I'm going to take all the hair from the back of the head and I'm going to bring it forward because that's going to create a V in the back. So direction creates movement. So I'm just going ahead and bringing it all forward and blending it all in. A lot of my cutting is going to all be done around the face, and I'm going to be doing a lot of work around the face. So as you can see, I'm bringing it all forward. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to check my perimeter and make sure that everything is even, and I'm going to carry that around to the sides, on both sides. I'm going to go to the left and then I'll go to the right. So now I'm going to do my stationary guide, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tip cut it. And the reason that I tip cut it is that because it creates diffusion on the ends and you're not going to have a big slice. Somebody told me on the TikTok that tip cutting's lazy. Actually, cutting straight across, I wouldn't say it's lazy, but it doesn't create as much diffusion on the ends. And with hair this long, you really need to create lightness on the ends, or everywhere your last layer is going to be is going to create massive heaviness, and it's going to look like choppy lines. So this way, you need to go in and lighten it up. Tip cutting everywhere. And I'm going to go ahead and create her curtain bangs. I'm going to bring it clear across the other side, take out my guide, walk around, cut the other side on a deep angle. You're going to see it's going to create the perfect swoop. There it is. So cute. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blend that in some more to the sides. She wants a lot of layers. And she actually wanted her bangs shorter. And it's so hard with hair this long to create a much shorter bang without creating disconnection and weight in certain areas. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blow dry her hair out really quick with my Ergo round brushes and my Gamma XL Pro. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to now do a whole bunch of dry cutting. And I'm going to tip it out, creating lightness. Just see how that just blends it so beautiful and how it's just swooping perfectly. So her hair is super long, guys. I'm just going in and chipping it out, texturizing the ends just to make them look lighter. And I'm going to come out and I'm going to just cut that little bit off the ends. And I got her up because her hair is so long. And she's like 16 years old. She went from like 16 to 25 in like a matter of an hour. So I just went around and cleaned up the perimeter and taking it and just feathering it, all those bangs into the ends. Guys, it just came out so beautiful. And she was so happy. As you see, I'm very visual. I'm not a measurer. I'm a looker. So I look at everything and see how it's laying. I feel with my hands. I'm like a sculptor of hair. And here's the finale. Look at all those layers. So blendy, so beautiful. She loved it. It looked absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching, guys, and the link's in the bio. Have a great day. Bye. Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.